Hi, I'm Dr. Ali Bujanov-Chanin, and I'm the convener for this King's Business School Executive Education course on emotional intelligence. And I wanted to share with you just a little bit about the course and what you can expect to get out of it. So emotional intelligence is about a set of skills that we can learn and improve, which will allow us to make constructive use of our own and others' emotional responses. In improving those skills, we become much more adept at influencing people and can change our working relationships for the better. Even when we're not in a formal leadership or direct people management position, we're often still having to demonstrate leadership. And as such, emotional intelligence and this course is relevant to anyone who interacts with other people in their workplace or has to manage relationships with stakeholders, be those your direct reports, your colleagues, your bosses, or people outside of the organisation. When you come away from this course, not only will you have a better idea of where your strengths and areas of improvement are on 15 different key skills, but you'll also have an action plan about how you might start to take steps to leverage that new data about yourself. During the course, you'll be learning from me about emotional intelligence and in what ways it's important to you and your team or those that you work with, and how you can start to take steps to improving your own skill set in this area. You'll be finishing the course with a detailed report and feedback, having had one-to-one coaching session with me and having worked with a small group of people to strategize your next steps. So in summary, this short course should leave you well equipped with ideas about how to tackle interpersonal challenges in your own working life. I hope you'll join me on this course, and I look forward to meeting you if you do.